nonprofit group for kids age 0 to 6. Kindergarten's our last year, and we're a community organization based on community service, family interaction, and just giving back to the community. When people put down their communities instead of lifting them up, it's really hard for me to see that, because I think if you think poorly about where you live, you should be the catalyst for change, and that's what I like to say. I want to be a catalyst for change and the good things that are happening in Parma.
At Holton-Wise, we believe it's very important to stay involved in the community. We believe that business is not just about profitability, but it's also about giving back. So today, we brought with us our 2 dump trucks, our biggest trucks in our fleet of about 8 right now, and we brought the landscaping dump truck along with our trash dump truck.
Holton-Wise is a brand of Parma.
Really want to focus on the importance of, our city, our fire, our police, and just how important they are to our city to come together. Not just Parma, but Parma Heights, Seven Hills, all come together as one community.
We do inter-facility hospital transfers, usually going to our university hospitals, but we do go into other hospitals. We also do scene responses with the local fire departments. Parma has always been a good facility for us to go into, so
Awesome.
that's a good thing.
Well, thank you for your services to our community. What's your favorite part about Parma?
That it's a small community and everyone knows almost everyone. It just feels like home.
Are you going to ride the bus when you get bigger, buddy?
Lots of events for kids to do. It's fun, it's safe, and yeah, we love our city.
Okay. Awesome.
Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle.
It's a safe community, and a lot of people really step up when other residents need help. Like right now, Parma Fire Department is doing a drive, and you can drop off donations for the hurricane victims at any Parma fire station.
I actually did design this T-shirt. It's our 60th anniversary, so we did a new logo, and then we have all our sponsors on the back. Have been in Parma Early Childhood PTA for 6 years. This is my 5th year on the board and my 2nd year as president.
All right, so you also have a graphic design business in Parma, correct?
I do. We focus on advertising and design, so anything from marketing to web design, packaging design, identity, anything in between. And we're located in the heart of Parma in Polish Village, right upstairs from Guy's Pizza, across from St. Charles. You can go to allofherdesign.com. You can find all of her design on Facebook. You can also go to PECPTA.org for Parma Early Childhood PTA, and we're also on Facebook as well.